Unleash your creativity with Ted's Woodworking, the ultimate woodworking companion. Imagine a world where the art of woodworking is at your fingertips, where complex becomes simple, and where creativity knows no bounds. Ted's Woodworking is that world, a comprehensive guide that transforms woodworking from a daunting task into an enjoyable hobby. Regardless of your skill level, Ted's Woodworking makes the craft accessible and fun. With Ted's Woodworking, you're never alone in your woodworking journey. It's like having a master craftsman at your side at all times. Ted's Woodworking offers a treasure trove of woodworking projects. Picture it now, a beautifully handcrafted coffee table that becomes the centerpiece of your living room, or perhaps an intricately designed birdhouse that adds a touch of charm to your garden. Not to mention those eye-catching decorative pieces that transform a house into a home. With Ted's Woodworking, these projects are just a few examples of what you can create. From indoor furniture to outdoor structures, from practical items to decorative pieces, Ted's Woodworking covers it all. Each project comes with a detailed plan, allowing you to bring your woodworking dreams to life. With over 16,000 projects to choose from, the possibilities are endless. But what good are thousands of projects without clear, easy-to-follow instructions? Well, Ted's Woodworking has got you covered there. Imagine having a comprehensive guide, a woodworking roadmap if you will, leading you through each project. It's like having a skilled carpenter right by your side, guiding you through every step. From selecting the right material to the final finish, every detail is meticulously explained. Even if you're just dipping your toes into the vast ocean of woodworking, these plans are designed to be user-friendly. The step-by-step instructions are so clear and detailed diagrams so precise that you'll find yourself creating beautiful pieces in no time. So don't worry about getting lost along the way. With Ted's Woodworking, every step is explained, every detail is covered. That's the beauty of Ted's Woodworking. So are you ready to embark on your woodworking journey? With Ted's Woodworking, the path to creating stunning handcrafted projects is clear and well lit. This isn't just about learning a new craft. It's about unlocking a world of creativity you never knew you had, and it's all within your reach, just a click away. Ted's Woodworking isn't just a guide, it's a comprehensive resource that embraces woodworkers of all skill levels. Plus, it comes with a host of exclusive bonuses and additional resources. You'll get access to the complete woodworking guides with over 200 pages of tips and tricks with detailed drawings and diagrams. Not to mention the woodworking business book that guides you on turning your passion into profits. So why wait? Visit the link provided and let your woodworking journey begin. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And remember, with Ted's Woodworking, your woodworking dreams are just a click away.